Ayeboovi DIY felt Christmas tree game with 35 pieces ornaments in one Xmas banner, perfect as kids' toy and home decor. Colors your Christmas comes with a fancy Xmas banner. This newly designed kids' wall Christmas tree comes with 35 pieces ornaments, and will help color your sweet home. Boosts family relationship to get the wall Christmas tree complete. It requires teamwork, so the whole process will bring the family together and strengthen the family bond. Inspires kids' imagination. Kids can freely decorate the tree with all the included ornaments and take them off to redecorate over and over again. How will the final Christmas tree look will depend on kids' imagination. Easy to set up. All the accessories from the package are with viscosity and they can be attached to the felt Christmas tree in seconds. The red loop on the top of the tree will make it easy for you to hang it on the wall or on the door. Assured purchase, made of high-quality felt fabric, 43.3 in height and 27.6 in width. We stand behind our products and offer you 90 days warranty for this kids DIY felt Christmas tree. Why you should choose Ayeboovi DIY felt Christmas tree. The DIY felt Christmas tree and all the ornaments are well attached with Velcro, which are perfectly fixed by quality glue. All the ornaments will stick to the tree very well. While other Christmas trees are small and with fewer ornaments, we present you with 35 pieces of different ones. Kids will enjoy more on this DIY project. Those beautiful ornaments come as jingle bell, snowman, reindeers and many other designs. They are bright in colors and will definitely make your home sparkle for this Christmas. All the ornaments are removable with Velcro and we do not set any rules on where to place the pieces. Therefore, kids can use their imagination to decorate this kids DIY felt Christmas tree in their own ways. Kids love DIY toys and this wall Christmas tree will allow kids to decorate it in their own way over and over again. It's fun and also educational for kids.